He left us a lot of stories, a lot of really wonderful stories, and he also lasted for 17 days.
Wow.
2 weeks was really strong, and then the last 3 days, it was like somebody pulled a plug. But he had enormous willpower and stick-to-itiveness, you know. He was planning on living to 100. Can I tell you a little story? I love telling the story. I walked into the bedroom one day, and he was at the bathroom sink, holding onto the sink, doing his leg lifts, doing his exercises after a week, you know, and I'm like a week into it, and he's still got this kind of stuff going, you know. Dad, what are you doing? So I'm doing my exercises. You gave me these exercises years ago. I said, yeah, I did, but... So I walked him over to his chair, and then he's, you know, sat down in his lazy boy chair, and he's thinking, he says, so I don't have to do these exercises? I said, "No, Dad." I don't have to take all these pills anymore either? I said, no, just the 2 that you have from hospice. You know, all those. Just, you know, lifted, little by little, he just lifted the burden of staying alive, because it was a burden to him. And so his choice was, again, it was beautiful.